Hello Cancer, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Cancer, this is your reading for the month of January 2022 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Cancer, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Cancer, in this reading, we'll see what is your energy, what is the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with, what is the mutual energy between you and this person. Okay. I'll see whether we have to take the mutual energy or not, because in other zodiac signs, for other zodiac signs, I haven't taken the mutual energy. Rather, I will be talking about your career, your finances and your money for the month of January. So let's proceed. So we have Seven of Pentacles for you. Then we have is Three of Cups. We have is Ace of Pentacles. For your person, Six of Cups. Then we have is Ten of Pentacles. We have is Seven of Cups. Okay. Let's check out the cards for your money, your career, your finances. Okay. Why the cards are jumping out today, Cancer? Why the cards are jumping out? Okay. So we have Emperor for you. We have Three of Swords. We have is Five of Pentacles. We have Knight of Wands. Sorry, King of Wands. And we have is the Wheel of Fortune. You may be dealing with Aries. You may be dealing with Sagittarius. You may be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. So this is your spread. Ace of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Seven of Pentacles. Cancer, what I see is that you are attracting someone in your direction. Okay. And whosoever this person is, they are looking very stable. Okay. Why I'm saying this is because I'm getting a sense of relief. Okay. You will be feeling relieved. There is a time of celebration with that Three of Cups, with that Seven of Pentacles. I'm feeling like you are going to get relieved to a large extent. You will be like, finally, whatever happened in my life, everything happened for a reason. Everything was worth it. I've been through a lot of pain, but it was, whatever happened, it was meant to happen. It sort of pushed me towards this person. Okay. I am meeting this person because I've been through whatever I have experienced and I have grown as a person, and that's why I am able to meet this right person. So I'm sensing there is a relief, like relief. Finally I have met the one, or finally I have met someone good, someone trustworthy, someone stable. Okay. So I'm also sensing that you will be thinking about the past situations, like whatever happened, it happened. Whatever happened, it was meant to happen and it was fated to happen, and you will be able to connect the dots, right? You will be able to understand, like, whosoever entered in your life, they were meant to enter because they ultimately sort of pushed you towards meeting this person. Okay. So literally in your mind you will be thanking all of your previous partners, like, thank you for entering in my life and thank you for pushing me in this direction. So I see you silently praying for the well-being of your previous partners, you silently thanking all of them. Okay. Because I see your emotions getting settled to a large extent. There is this energy where your emotions are settling down. Okay, there is this energy where your stress is getting released, there is this energy of aha moment. Okay, I'm also sensing with the Three of Cups some good news is about to come your way when it comes to your love life. Okay, and there is going to be time of celebration, and you're going to have some amazing time with someone, and it is becoming a bit obvious with the Ace of Pentacles. Like someone may come towards you with an offer, someone is going to express their interest. Okay, so that's what I see. And we have so many pentacle cards and we have so many cup cards. So it is a sort of a signifier that things are stabilizing very soon in your love life. Expression of love will happen, emotions will be expressed, emotions will come to the surface and they will be expressed. So what I see is it's a good time when it comes to your love. Okay, time is looking very good. And you may be seeing a lot of 777, you may be seeing a lot of 666, 1111. Okay, as far as your person is concerned, we have 6 of Cups, we have 10 of Pentacles, we have 7 of Cups. Okay, so first of all, I see that you will be having options. I got that energy with the 7 of Pentacles also. You will be having a lot of options, and maybe that is going to be an energy booster for you. It is going to be a confidence booster for you. You will be like, wow, I am attracting so many people, and it's you're gonna there is this feel good factor. Your feel good hormones will be released. Okay, you're gonna feel a lot more nice about yourself. You're gonna feel confident, and it's a you're embodying this positive energy in the month of January. And yes, among these options, there is going to be one person with whom you will be having a stable relationship. To be very honest, Cancer, you are having a very straightforward reading. Okay, the spread is very straightforward. Okay, something that not much explanation is needed. Okay, uh, whosoever this person is, they are looking like a past life soulmate. You haven't met this person in this lifetime, and they will be resurfacing for the first time in this lifetime. Okay, there is going to be this instant connection. There will be a lot of eye to eye contact with this person. Where you will meet this person is, there are a lot of possibilities because we have so many pentacle cards. You may meet this person, I just heard, a bank. You may meet this person at a bank. You may meet this person at workplace. Okay, or you may also meet this person somewhere outside, like if you're outside having a dinner, if you're treating yourself for a dinner. Yes, and one more thing, your mood is going to be very good in the month of January. Okay, you're going to feel very nice and very elated and very happy and joyful in the month of January. I see you may catch up with your friends, you may catch up with your family. If not friends, I see you just going outside and doing some shopping. I see you treating yourself with nice dinners. Yeah, that's I for some of you, you're going to go outside, you're going to have dinner all alone. I mean, I don't see you getting you guys are scared to step out alone and go and have dinners alone or go and watch movies alone. I don't see that kind of an energy. Okay, if your friends agree to catch up with you guys, fine, you'll go ahead and you'll spend some time with your friends. If not, you will just go and experience everything all alone because you are in that mood. Okay, you are in that energy. Okay, I see you want to do something for yourself. So also money is looking good for you guys. Okay, in the month of January, maybe a news of promotion or something will also come your way. We'll talk about this spread for money, career and finances, but from these cards, we have all pentacle cards and cup cards only. So we have one, two, three pentacle cards and 3 cup cards. So there is a strong possibility that money is increasing, income is increasing for some of you. With that 7 of Cups, you may have multiple sources of income, and you will see that money is rising for you guys. Okay. Uh, a long term, for some of you, a long term situation will begin in the month of January. You're going to experience a lot of love, lot of fun time with this person. Yes, this person is going to give you a lot of love, and whatever you are asking, this person is going to fulfill that. Okay, this person will take you out on short trips, road trips. If you like traveling, that is going to happen. This person will keep on treating you continuously. This person will keep on gifting you. Okay, I see whosoever this person is, they are good with the money. Okay, so they won't hesitate spending money on you. Okay, at the end of the day, what I see is this person wants to see a smile on your face, so they will do everything to make you happy, to bring that smile, to build up that trust. Okay, yeah, the main goal will be to build up the trust. And whosoever this person is, they are very mature. Okay, Cancer, so I'll say that you're lucky to have this person. Yes, and that's why there is this sense of relief. Whatever I was talking at the start, you're going to have that sense of relief. Okay, because you're going to meet someone who is very trustworthy, and who is very, you can rely on this person, you can blindly trust this person. Okay, all right, so as far as your money, your career, and your finances are concerned, money is increasing for you guys. Money is increasing for sure. Look at this Wheel of Fortune also. It's like the coin size is increasing, right? Every coin, it's the size is increasing. Okay, so money is increasing, and already I've told you we have so many pentacle cards. So money is increasing for you guys. Okay, for some of you, the expenses may also increase. You may have to expend your money on your house or renovation, or some repairs may come up, some unexpected expenses at home, renovations or repairs or whatever it is. For some of you, you may have to expend money on your cars. Okay, I see expenses associated with your assets. So it can be movable assets or immovable assets. You may have to incur some expenses related to your assets. uh, because you will be rising up. Okay, because you will be progressing in your career also in the month of January, you are going to create some competition for yourself. There are some people who are watching you, and you rising up, you experiencing success in your life is going to trigger some people. They may try to compete you, they may try to confront you. Someone may literally express their jealousy that you're rising up, and they will be like, I'm jealous that how come you are achieving this and that, and you will be surprised. But anyway, that is not going to bother you in any way. That is, they won't be able to harm you, or they won't be able to pull you back. Okay, but you will see some people coming up to you and saying some nasty things. Okay, because simply because they will be jealous of you, they will be jealous of the fact that you are rising. Okay, and with the Emperor card, what I see is that you're going to make some important decisions with respect to your career, with respect to your money. You may decide to purchase certain assets. You may decide to purchase something very important. I see you saving up your money for some big expenses in the future, or you making those expenses in this month only. For majority of you, I see you are saving up your money for something that you want to buy in the future, maybe a house or maybe a car. It's a big expense is what I'm sensing. Okay, but with that Five of Pentacles, be ready for some unexpected expenses also. Okay, take care of your health. Take care of your health. Some of you may have to spend your money towards medical expenses. Okay, so nothing to worry about. Okay, but just take care of your health, and eat good food, eat healthy food. You will be able to avoid expenses on your unnecessary expenses on your health. Okay, otherwise I don't see anything major when it comes to your money, your career, or your finances. Your career is looking very smooth. I don't see any kind of hurdles, except what I told you, right? Like, you will be creating some competition, or some people may get triggered because of you experiencing success. Okay, other than that, I don't see anything major when it comes to your career, your money. Okay. All right. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.